Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn 120 daily used English sentences. So, let's start the video. Are you allergic to dogs? Are you allergic to dogs? Did you agree to this? Did you agree to this? You have to live in harmony. You have to live in harmony. Can you speak louder, please? Can you speak louder, please? Don't waste time with a person who can't do anything. Don't waste time with a person who can't do anything. You should be more polite. You should be more polite. Are you really a good driver? Are you really a good driver? Accept new ideas. Accept new ideas. Don't interfere in my work. Don't interfere in my work. You must find out the real truth. You must find out the real truth. The results could be utterly disastrous. The results could be utterly disastrous. Are you sure it is safe to use? Are you sure it is safe to use? Don't take undue advantage of me. Don't take undue advantage of me. Give them some respect. Give them some respect. Don't tell me all this rubbish. Don't tell me all this rubbish. Can I look around your house? Can I look around your house? Be careful and alert. Be careful and alert. Don't waste time on useless ideas. Don't waste time on useless ideas. Be patient, you will succeed. Be patient, you will succeed. Don't behave senselessly. Don't behave senselessly. I hope you won't disclose this. I hope you won't disclose this. Take care that your blood pressure does not rise. Take care that your blood pressure does not rise. Don't interfere in my affairs. Don't interfere in my affairs. Could you please tell me the time? Could you please tell me the time? You must work very hard. You must work very hard. Forget the past, it will do no good. Forget the past, it will do no good. Shut up so that we can move ahead. Shut up so that we can move ahead. Don't expect me to handle your situation. Don't expect me to handle your situation. Attack their weak points. Attack their weak points. Are not you getting my point? Are not you getting my point? Face the issue like a man. Face the issue like a man. We must reconfirm this. We must reconfirm this. Don't be angry with me. Don't be angry with me. We will have to control expenses. We will have to control expenses. How can I tolerate this nonsense? How can I tolerate this nonsense? Don't expect support from a weak person. Don't expect support from a weak person. Think about others also. Think about others also. You are in charge, so learn to handle the situation. You are in charge, so learn to handle the situation. Are you looking for trouble? Are you looking for trouble? Don't be obsessed with your looks. Don't be obsessed with your looks. Follow the rules and regulations. Follow the rules and regulations. I must try once again. I must try once again. Don't spy on me. Don't spy on me. I cannot wait any longer. I cannot wait any longer. You have to take a stand against the system. You have to take a stand against the system. I am losing patience. I am losing patience. Be strong and don't give in. Be strong and don't give in. Everything is lost. Everything is lost. You will have great responsibilities in the future. You will have great responsibilities in the future. Can I see the red shirt, please? Can I see the red shirt, please? You will encounter a lot of difficulties. You will encounter a lot of difficulties. Discuss it with your dad before deciding. Discuss it with your dad before deciding. You have to make your own plans. You have to make your own plans. Avoid him for a few days. Avoid him for a few days. She has to be watchful. She has to be watchful. You have to accept the reality. You have to accept the reality. You look irritated. You look irritated. Are you still afraid of the dark? Are you still afraid of the dark? You should have given me some clue. You should have given me some clue. Hurry up or someone else will get the benefit. Hurry up or someone else will get the benefit. Think clearly and forget about the past. Think clearly and forget about the past. Did you come with your family? Did you come with your family? Did everything go well there? Did everything go well there? You will have to live peacefully. You will have to live peacefully. The results will be bad. The results will be bad. Can you please tell me your full name? Can you please tell me your full name? Where do you think this road will carry you? Where do you think this road will carry you? Don't be obsessed with your looks. Don't be obsessed with your looks. You must learn to be silent. You must learn to be silent. If you don't mend your behavior, you will pay the price. If you don't mend your behavior, you will pay the price. Did you have any problems before? Did you have any problems before? Do you have any questions for me? Do you have any questions for me? You need to create a framework for your success. You need to create a framework for your success. Kindness is beneficial in forming relationships. Kindness is beneficial in forming relationships. Don't let your husband get away without facing the consequences. Don't let your husband get away without facing the consequences. What are the benefits and risks of this venture? What are the benefits and risks of this venture? He is an important person, so keep in touch with him whenever you have the chance. He is an important person, so keep in touch with him whenever you have the chance. If you are not careful, you will be in very serious trouble. If you are not careful, you will be in very serious trouble. It's a disorganized place. It's a disorganized place. You must have a proper plan to succeed. You must have a proper plan to succeed. There is no time to waste, so come to the point straight away. There is no time to waste, so come to the point straight away. Don't get upset about a minor thing. Don't get upset about a minor thing. Congratulations on your new job. Congratulations on your new job. This kind of life is dangerous. This kind of life is dangerous. Don't lose hope, but continue your efforts. Don't lose hope, but continue your efforts. You can start changing the system. You can start changing the system. To go with the flow is not always desirable. To go with the flow is not always desirable. Does anyone want some more rice? Does anyone want some more rice? Don't get upset if things are not as per your wishes. Don't get upset if things are not as per your wishes. We will first judge the situation. We will first judge the situation. How did you solve your problem? How did you solve your problem? Can you carry this for me? Can you carry this for me? It seems your mind is somewhere else. It seems your mind is somewhere else. Don't deviate from your goal. Don't deviate from your goal. How does it benefit you? How does it benefit you? Don't worry, I will take care of myself. Don't worry, I will take care of myself. You will be held responsible for any future problems. You will be held responsible for any future problems. He has been sick for 2 weeks now. He has been sick for 2 weeks now. Are you going to help me or not? Are you going to help me or not? He jumped into the river suddenly. He jumped into the river suddenly. Don't lose your faith in God. Don't lose your faith in God. Please include me in the plans. Please include me in the plans. Don't drink too much coffee. Don't drink too much coffee. Are you telling me the truth? Are you telling me the truth? Don't expect too much from others. Don't expect too much from others. Please cooperate with us. Please cooperate with us. Can I talk to you for a moment? Can I talk to you for a moment? Don't hesitate to call me. Don't hesitate to call me. Can you spare me a few minutes? Can you spare me a few minutes? Don't imagine too much. Don't imagine too much. Please beware of strangers. Please beware of strangers. Can you lend me some money? Can you lend me some money? Please call me back later. Please call me back later. We need to take action now before it's too late. We need to take action now before it's too late. It's important to take a stand against injustice. It's important to take a stand against injustice. I really like her, she has a great sense of humor. I really like her, she has a great sense of humor. Let's take a step forward and make progress towards our goal. Let's take a step forward and make progress towards our goal. I'm glad we can be friends despite our differences. I'm glad we can be friends despite our differences. Sometimes taking a risk is the only way to achieve success. Sometimes taking a risk is the only way to achieve success. I need to take a break from social media for a while. I need to take a break from social media for a while. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my new videos.